In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook group for your local business step by step. A Facebook group is a great way to connect with local customers, build a community, and share updates about your business. First, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap the menu icon, then select Groups, and tap Create Group. Enter a group name that matches your business or local community, then choose your privacy setting. Select Public if you want anyone to find and join the group, or Private if you want to approve new members. Next, add a cover photo, write a clear description, and include your business location, services, and group rules. Once your group is created, invite your customers, friends, and local community members to join. Start posting helpful content such as local updates, business news, special offers, product photos, and useful tips to keep members engaged. You can also create polls, ask questions, and respond to comments to encourage conversations and build trust. Managing your group consistently will help grow your local audience and strengthen your business presence on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.